So before starting, let me ask all of you, is there any progress we made on the project front, or we are still struggling, or we started something of our own?
Narendra, for me, I have started something in last few weeks ago,
Mhm.
but I actually then found that the we I think I need knowledge on React actually for front end part, React,
Mhm.
and I think Node, Next, TypeScript.
Mhm.
So I have starting on React. Okay, and now for last week started on Pluto's Pioneer program, that one. So I have completed the first second lecture. So
Which
that
one?
part only.
Which one, Devasis?
The Pluto's Pioneer program I have started.
Fourth variant, or the third one? The last week,
For
what I had given.
for actually, I have started the fourth one. So should I check the third one? Third one.
It's fourth one is good, and basically today's session will be like that. This is very good news that for Pluto's Pioneer program, or the Pluto's community, Cardano community, they have actually come up with newer tools where you can only have to concentrate upon development, on writing
Yes.
down smart contracts, and for deployment, for other things, there are other tools available. So if you some people know about Solidity and the Remix ID, here they are also coming up with some tools which you can actually use and easily create smart contracts. They are coming up with some online tool, as well as they are coming up with some offline tool. So basically, for
Okay.
today's session, and they are having almost many examples, or there are more examples, like Maze example we had seen. There are other example where you can also see the things, and basically, so you can think of, or as a community we can think of, here we can progress in our knowledge grasping, as well as doing some uh, real time project work with the community program as it is actually, or Pluto's community program as it is actually moving. But yes, the basics like Haskell basics, Pluto's basics are all there. The biggest challenge in the last iteration, what I had gone through, like you people are going through now, was setting up a node, and was working with the CLI. CLI basically the interface where that is the command line interface for Cardano, from where you are actually putting some commands and interacting with the Cardano network. So these things were bit not clear, and not used by, though many people used it. I'm not saying not many people used it, but this time these are very, very streamlined, or knowledge wise streamlined, use wise streamlined. People like you uh, not necessarily invest much time on that, because these are streamlined. You have to just go through, and with few clicks you could able to set up your node, and you could able to connect to the preview node. Even if I have not tried, we can connect to the mainnet also. So these are very new things, and few bug fixes, or few fixes has been actually patches, you can say, come, which are actually making things better for the Cardano node point of view. And otherwise, for development point of view, as I have already told, like there are newer tools which come together, and we can create our smart contract. We can create the Pluto script from there. We can create other things from there and deploy. our smart contract into the mainnet, and we can also connect from our app to our contract. Like in the last example in Mesh.js, if you could able to see, like there was a contract already created and that was actually deployed to I guess preview or pre-pod, and from that application you are connecting to that smart contract. But here we can create our own, we can deploy it there in the mainnet, test nets, pre-pod or preview, and we can actually um, develop or work with that, and with a full-fledged end-to-end DApp development and all. And apart from that, we are actually going to develop our, or these skills we are going to actually use in our live project scenario. So there are lots of examples coming already. So for you people, for those people who didn't actually start, who didn't actually start with anything yet, no background knowledge, they can also start from here, and they can also follow. But those people has to take or give more time to this learning. But those people who already know Plutus, who already know Haskell, who already had all those sessions we have, for those people, these are like icing on the cake. Like it's very easy to develop right now, very easy to create or deploy right now, and very easy to connect to the applications. It's not a very big task right now, what I can say. uh, I'm just for this today's session, I want to say you, like we have gone through all those things, even if on the Pluto's Pioneer 4, and basically Tushar is actually going to show you like how to set up your system to write down a smart contract in Plutus, both offline and online. So that is what Tushar is actually going to do. And next, we'll actually share a document for how to start your node from your local system, Cardano node, on the preview net, not in the main net, not in the pre-prod, but in the preview net. That is the second one. If today is not the time, only we'll share the document, but tomorrow I will share how to actually start it, or configure it in your machine and start it. Am I clear? But today for Tushar, he will show you how to actually create the development environment for running your application, compiling your application, and testing it. Also testing it. So this is important. You can see that all the test cases should pass, and as a developer. Then after creating this Cardano node and connecting it to your preview net, then we'll actually start creating addresses, start creating public key, private key, and adding some facets to that. And through that, we are going to actually create deploy our own smart contracts into the network. And then for that, from our on the second, by the side, we'll actually develop the web 2, or the front end applications, you can say. And from the front end applications, we'll actually connect both front end and our blockchain applications. And this is going to be really interesting. Why I am saying? Because uh, this time they come up with many tools, uh, and which is actually interesting, and you could able to actually grasp more thing. Even if for me, who is actually into this from last 1 year almost, uh, I'm thinking like it is much easier right nowadays, and probably it will be very easy for you people. And next, today for the agenda, after Tushar completes, we'll ask Anil to uh, show you one more application on a D app, not in Mesh.js, in other technology, and uh, he will do it. But my request will be like, as I requested all of you last week, that you people should have your own Git, okay? You should be connected to our um, Discord. That's how we could able to help you. And in your Git, you have to clone all the repositories and put it there. Like for Git, for your value will be increased with your Git. People will understand you from your Git only. People will recognize you from your Git only. And I'll ask also the Cardano India developer admin who is having the admin access for Git. They can also share it with you, or they have to actually put or clone all the codes which are there into our project. So I had a discussion with other people into our with Videsa, like others who also recommended me to have activities or increase activities, whatever the things we are doing into our GitHubs. So everybody should have their own GitHub already. So GitHub is a must thing. Okay. And definitely your Discord is for communication, official communication. These two things you have to use more and more. I have not seen many people after so much request last week. I have not seen many people who had started interacting on Git, sorry, in Discord. And I have not found anybody's Git account with me. So probably I'll request one more time to connect with us on Discord and share your GitHub ID. And I'm really saying this time you will feel more comfortable to clone it and try it. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm just asking or requesting Tushar to share his screen and start the session.
Okay, sir. Just good evening, all of you. Today, I topic is setup development environment. We have two options: online environment, Demeter, and the second one is local system. What is Demeter? Demeter is Web3 development platform. You can start build your idea. Go to the browser and type Demeter.done. Then get new project.
So what Tushar is saying actually, for the online setup in moment, there is a tool available on the site Demeter.run. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to your browser. So when I'm saying it is online, it's a browser-based tool. You have to go to Demeter .run, and you have to go to projects and you have to create it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sir, go ahead.
Then start next, then US Central, then next, then free, then next, then details. Details PPP project name, then create project. Project is successfully created. Open. Then go to the GitHub input output function. Process final program. Then
So this link should be with everybody, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Then first create first.
So here you have to fork it into your own GitHub.
GitHub account. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is successful. Copy. then C. Then go to the Demeter. Check what says. Are you cloning the existing repository? Yes. Then copy the path, then paste, then select the coding status, workspace size, medium.
See, this is the free one. That's why we are not taking the higher ones. It will immediately complete it. So this is the free one. Demeter is having pricing models for various things. So in future, if required, we'll actually go for the pricing model depending upon the client requirement. But for now, our development purpose, we can actually go for this. Yes, Tushar.
Then select the network.
Like I have already told, there are three networks. Mainnet is the mainnet, preview and pre-prod. So for this, Tushar is saying like connect to the preview, because pre-prod is actually almost the same replica of mainnet, and it will take more time to sync, and it's a fully synced node with the mainnet, and it's pre-production. But preview is a bit faster, and it's a small node, and for the development purpose we can use the preview node. That is also for the preview node or development purpose. So mostly we are going to use the preview one. Yes, Tushar.
Then yes.
Narendra, can you please repeat this one? This one I am not clear with the P.
So see, like Debasis in the mainnet, yeah, the mainnet, that is the production, you can say. That is the
Production. Okay.
production net. Yes, that is the mainnet. Okay, that is
Okay.
working. If that is real ADA will actually count there. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
here in these two networks, one is for pre-prod, the name is saying itself. Okay, and
Pre-production.
another is the preview, and both are actually using the test net ADA,
Okay. Okay.
because that it's a blockchain and the transaction will happen, and it will happen to the currency, and the currency, official currency, is basically the ADA, and
Other.
for
Yes.
mainnet the official currency is ADA. For this is ADA officially, but those are test others.
Okay.
You got my point. It's
Sure,
like a development environment, pre-production environment, and the production.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
sure. Render sir, one more question here. In this
Mhm.
Demeter console, when you connect with the GitHub, then it will
Mhm.
just connect all the libraries and utilize here in the console.
Yeah,
For your
exactly.
application.
That is what that is the best thing the people did this time. You will see
Oh,
like the all the hiccups, all the problems we faced to run the Plutus Pioneer program 3 last time, creating node, loading node, and running the programs. These things will not be there. We will do it on the fly itself. Just see what Tushar is actually doing. You are connecting to the GitHub Pioneer program. You are going to open the repository, and it will show you everything here. It's
Narendra,
really,
if you had the internet and you can do it basically.
yeah. If you don't have the internet, also we'll show you how to do it. Only fast. That is the offline one. This is
Now
the
on
online.
online I am saying that
This is
online
the
that
online one. That is the offline one also. I'll say, like
one.
yes, for working with a network or a mainnet or pre-prod, you have to actually go for the network. But yes, for compilation and all those things, testing. Once you have downloaded everything, you can do with the offline one.
Offline, yes, yes.
Sir, how much time it is normally taking? It's normally taking 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, 10 minutes maximum, I had seen. But let's
Three,
see.
4, 5 minutes it will complete, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
I today I have just configured this one.
You configure already?
Yeah, 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 configured.
Hey, great. But careful devices like the thing is, if you the disuse are very minimum here, and once you have used your all of your disuse, this will actually complete, and you will say that Demeter will say that okay, you are not allowed, you have to purchase the thing. So the trick is
Okay.
today
I am
Tushar,
pausing. After I am pausing the
yeah,
application.
you have to pause it, but
Yeah.
after
Yeah.
2 3 times use, it might say you like you have to purchase it and all. So in that case,
Okay.
you have to delete the
Okay.
project. This is Tushar told me
Delete.
today, that you
Okay.
have to delete the project and create the project newly,
Okay. Okay.
or you have to actually log in from another account if it's not allowing you anytime. But this is for the free one. If you are purchasing it is
Actually, I logged in through GitHub actually.
yeah,
GitHub
yeah.
account.
Okay, but you can use Google account also. You can use
Yeah.
other
Yes.
people
Yes. Yes.
account also. Okay, and
Yeah.
we are planning to actually purchase it for Cardano India Developers Community account. Once that is purchased, I'll definitely share that account with you people to work, because live projects normally we have to work from one account.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see that, we'll make that provision for all of us. But for practice purpose, you can use it. Arthur, this is very easy and we can use it. Okay, Tushar, you can go ahead.
Then go to the VS Code.
Tushar, bit slow, people didn't know, people didn't see what you did.
Yes, sir.
Just go to the previous slide, previous and just tell people from where you will go to the VS Code.
Yes, sir. Then go to the course.
No, Tushar,
Yes, sir.
Tushar.
Yeah. From the
Yes,
next tab you can show it.
From the
Next
previous tab, you just
previous
show us.
tab. Previous
Yeah,
tab. Yes.
here, if you can see, this is the project, and there is a VS Code link or a symbol. You have to actually click that. Then only that VS Code will actually open in a browser. What Tushar is actually showing. Arthur, do you got it? Like this VS Code, if you will click, it will actually open that here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then only you will go to the VS Code, and it's a normal VS Code. So sir, go there, and
go to the course.
here you will see like the complete repo of that GitHub account, GitHub location of yours is there, and here you can see there are just close that code, Tushar,
Yes, sir.
minimize everything. No, Tushar,
Yes, sir.
go to that repo and minimize the yes, go to repo. Okay, minimize the code. So these are the four upper level actually uh, things here. One is the dev container, that is not showing you anything. The code is actually showing you the code what Plutus pioneers are actually doing. Code, you go to the code. So sir, expand the code. Okay, you will see like week 1 is there, week 2 is there, week 3 is there. Yes, I want to see that. Week 4 is already there. You remember, each and every Thursday they are actually putting a session. Okay, and depending upon the Thursday, they are actually giving the codes also. So what is there and what is not there, they are normally giving. So in the code, you will find the code here. So close that code or minimize that code. Then you will go to the docs. So if you will expand the docs, you will see there are lots of lectures which are available, and there are Plutus docs which are available. Just expand one by one. So sir, so you will find the lectures there. So lessons there. So these are all the documentation they have already made for you. So you can see look into that. But most importantly, if you could able to see the videos, you could able to do it by yourself, and you will already know that there are lots of things which are you already learn. The trick is here is only how to code it and how to actually set up your repository into various tools where you can actually compile and run the things. So this is very easy. So sir, you can go ahead with your code example.
Then go to the terminal.
Hmm.
New terminal.
Hmm.
Before Cabal update.
But so sir, while you are doing, you just talk to people like what you are doing.
Yes, sir. Go to the directory 4. Then go to the Cabal object. When Cabal object is done, then go to the CD with 02.
Sir, we are recording this session.
Sir, we are recording.
Yeah, recording.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Type Cabal Russell. Next time.
Yeah. Sir, one more question. Here you can see that, right, the Cardano crypto data, these are just installing completed. That means it is week 01 or week 02 or all the codes.
No, basically they are setting up the environment for your week 02. Okay,
Week
and
02.
whenever you will run the Cabal Ripple, it will actually do the same for all. And if something is already there, they can use it, or if something, because that is their environment we are using.
Yes,
And
yes,
that,
that's correct. How we know that, like, it is week 02 will take by default, or week anything we can have to mention there while doing the cabal? Hello.
Sorry, sorry. Uh, because the most important thing is like when you will start this, you will go to the repo, like where your code is, and you have to actually from the terminal move to the code directory, and inside the code directory actually you have to do the cabal update, and from there you have to go to after the cabal update will do the uh, you will go to the week 02 by chase directory, and then you will actually run the cabal repel for the week 02. And when actually you will do the cabal repel on week 02, everything will be starting and your environment will be set up and you are ready for actually interacting with your program. Or execute that command cd. Tushar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you scroll up which directory you have run this code?
Let's see. This
Yeah,
this one. See, it's
Week
going
zero
to
two, I
repo, it's going to code, and it's going to week 02. This is cabal repel. Okay. And first of all, in the code, you have to do the cabal update, and then you have to, after the cabal update, you will change directory to week 2 or any week of the code you want to run. Then you will run the cabal repel. If you
Yeah,
people
I got it that because we go to that directory and then we'll run that cavalry replay, right?
yeah,
So
like
then,
if you have already remember in other Pluto sessions, you are doing the same thing. You are going to the
yes,
directory and running the cabal repel.
yes.
But setting that up is very a very tedious job at that point of time. But with this what you can say, with this tool, it's very easy. Yeah, and it's completed. See,
Some problem, sir.
what happened?
Uh, enough no, enough memory available.
Yeah, this is saying not enough memory, and it might be a problem because yeah, it's a free version, so you can use it. Many people are might be using it.
I think Narendra in Peapod it will build. I think.
No, preview is good enough. We have tested it, the basis a few times.
Oh,
I guess
okay.
Prasan sir tested, Tushar himself tested, I myself tested, and probably Anil has been also tested. So four of us
Oh.
are already tested. It's working fine. And
Mhm.
after that, the command is there. I guess Tushar will actually share the document he had made for it, and you will see the commands there, how to run, but it's nothing there much. uh, Tushar, what is the command? You just run it and we'll actually see that.
Cabal
Mhm.
test
Test. So remember this command, we'll see more, don't worry. Cabal test more,
week zero
then
two.
week
Then
02,
homework.
then homework.
Homework.
Okay. So if you will see in the week 02, he had extended, and there is a test suite. So this is the test folder. Just to start, expand the test folder, expand the tests.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So there you will find the homework edges, and the homework this is the test suite they have written, and from there you will see that there are two homeworks which are actually there, homework 1 and homework 2 as H1. This is a Haskell script, and these two homework are already there. And when you are actually invoking this test suite, this will actually run these two homework Haskell files. Okay. So go to the terminal again. Depending upon your network and depending upon the availability of memory, it will take some time, but it should work. To me, like Debasis, so on, sir, it should work, and it is working. We have tested it, tried at your end, and Arun sir, definitely this is very easy for us now to actually code there. In the meantime, Tushar, I am just requesting you to show them how to build it for offline one.
Yes, sir.
So it will work because it has already failed. It might fail at the end here in this, but you people can actually see the document what Tushar had made and what is there, and you can try it by yourself. We have tried, almost 4 people we had done it successfully. Prasan sir, have you done it successfully? Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done successfully.
In Demeter itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In Demeter.
Okay. So it's a confirmation I got from him. I know he did it, but it's a confirmation that he did it, and you people can try it. And Tushar will actually sell the document or share the document with in the GitHub and share you the location. Tushar, we can go to the offline mode also.
Go to the terminal. We make Docker and VS Code in local system.
No, Tushar, before that, you have to say like in the offline, in which operating system you are doing and what is the version and how you are doing it. So apart from that, it's not good to do. See, like in online version, you can do it from any of the any of the operating systems. You have to go to a browser and do it. You got my point. If you are having a browser, you can do the Demeter one from anywhere because we are actually using their environment. But for this online one, you can do it with other operating systems. But what here we did is with the Ubuntu. Which version, Tushar?
20.0.20.04.
Okay, you will say it. You will mention it in your document. So in the Ubuntu system, 20 point whatever he told, like 20 point something, you have to go to the terminal. You have to open the terminal.
Then type git clone. Then go to the GitHub. Then copy the
It's
path.
yours. Tushar, it's yours.
Yes, sir.
So you want to clone your or
Yes.
you want to do the Plutus Pioneer program original one?
It's the original, sir. Then paste.
No, Tushar, still it is yours. We
Yes,
are
sir.
we are cloning it from yours, or we are going to clone it from the IOHK.
Yours, sir. My
Hmm?
GitHub link. My
So
Yes,
from
sir.
your GitHub you are cloning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issues.
Then enter.
Because he already, I think, already forked the GitHub link of IOHK. That's why he cloning its own GitHub Plutus Spanner program.
No, you can do it from directly from IOHK also. It's the same. Probably he didn't change many things there.
Yes, sir.
Then
Okay.
go to the Plutus Pioneer program.
Tab space. Control tab. Yeah.
O dot enter.
So sir, don't you require that Docker one also here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go ahead with your thing. So what Tushar did, he actually clone the repository and try to open it in the local Visual Studio Code. Okay.
Then go to the terminal.
Okay. Yes.
Then type cd or then cabal of that.
Okay.
It takes some time.
Debasis, have you tried this one?
No, Narendra, this local one I have not tried.
But it's
In
much easier.
offline one.
Yeah, but it's much easier and probably it's much faster also.
Offline one is
Once,
more fast.
yeah, once you did it and it will be much faster.
Yeah, I will do it tomorrow. Tomorrow I will do it. Today I am going to the online one. Tomorrow I will
Yeah.
do it.
Then go to the cd with 02. Then cabal rappel.
So you people must have like thought of why he is showing the week 2 one. Normally in week 1 there is no code. Those are actually installation processes explained, some theories. These things which you are right now seeing, these are actually explained. Some theory is explained. EUTXO model is explained. So in week 1 there is in reality there is no code. Whatever the things we are doing now, that is actually explained in week 1. And that is also your homework for the next week with the project work. And this will be very interesting. And that's why Tushar is always actually showing this week 2 and homework, because from week 2 the real homeworks has been actually started in the code level. So normally how much time it is taking? It should be faster, yeah.
Yep.
Hmm?
Take 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. So, sir, how much time it will take? Else, you can run it in the behind the scene. You can monitor this, and Anil can actually show us that application. So, will it be okay with all of you people? Because we are losing some time here.
Yeah, sure, sure.
So,
Sir, I
Tushar,
will show you.
so Tushar,
Yes,
you
sir.
can on share and ask Anil to share in between your this is cable update or cable repel. Repel will be completed, I guess.
This one repel, repel.
Yeah.
Double weapon, sir.
Yeah. So you can on share and you can ask Anil to share and he can also show us something what he had explored.
Okay, sir.
And in between when you Anil completed, you can show us your magic.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I will share with my application in Tushar sir desktop.
Okay, no issues. Then that is great.
Actually, hang, I think. Okay. Close all the window first.
No,
It might
don't
hang.
close. Don't close. Anil, you can open another tab and you can do it from there. Don't close anything.
Actually, sir, it hang, sir. System will hang sometime. That's why I close.
Okay.
Can I delete this workspace?
You can delete if no issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you are also going to use this Demeter one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why I
Okay.
delete.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, very good evening, and I will show you how the DApp our Cardano marketplace in run in Demeter. First, go to the Demeter run, then starting from here, continue building. Then actually it's not delete the go to admin page. Setting, delete this app. Okay. New project. First of all, create a new project. Then select next. Then provide TX pipe US Central. Then click the next. This is our free plan.
And
Then
Anil, what is
click.
that one? Can you go back?
Okay. US Central, sir.
Okay.
This is so region. Which region you used to provide your application?
Okay.
Then next, then we choose the free. And next, our project details, NFT marketplace. This is optional for description. Then create project. Open. Actually, this is open a new workspace. Here we can create a new over here, or either we clone it from our to our direct VS Code in our local system. First of all, we clone it for in GitHub. First GitHub. Then search here D.
Advanced.
This one, D quadrant Cardano marketplace.
Okay.
And then click. After that, it copy the this HTTPS link. Then open to the new window.
In Visual Studio itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can create also over here. Create also over here, but
But why we are not actually cloning it into our repository and doing it from there?
sir, I don't understand what you said.
No, this deep quadrant you are directly doing it from your
Local system.
local. You can make it into available into your or clone it into your own grid
Workspace, sir.
repo.
Also, we clone it our own workspace, but it better to clone to the local system to use better future features for our project. Like we use our this extension better for development.
Okay, okay, do it, whatever.
Okay, sir. Clone it. Open. Sir. Here we can create a directory like demo. After that, change the directory to demo and clone it over here. Paste. After that, upon the our close this one. Demo Cardano open. After that, we create a connected extension for our Dapps connected to the Demeter. Then go to the connected extension. Here click the browse extension. After that, Cardano Kuber. We use here pre-production network. Then after that, we connecting to the network. After that, we click over here and access from external DFs. This is our external apps. We connected over here from this port to allow. This is public DNS. After that, we open the config file to config our all the Kuber API URL, explore URL, Blockfrost API. We use Blockfrost also to the connect our DFs to the Cardano. Here we use Blockfrost API URL and API key. You must first create Blockfrost API. I mean, go to the Blockfrost website. Then here we log in. I can log in, and this created already. If you created already a project, then choose a API key over here. Either you created another project, add project, and then actually it's a free plan to use for only one project. That's why I already created a project.
No issues, Anil. We understand. It's okay. You
Yes, sir.
can copy the API key and put it there.
Yes, sir. Copy the first API key of our project NFT and
Hmm.
go to our VS Code.
Hmm.
Here we can put our API key
Hmm.
and API URL. Here we change the preview to pre-prod. And this is also pre-prod. And here we can choose our Kubeware API URL from here. This is our Kubeware Prepod API NFT marketplace. Copy from here and paste it. This is a HTTPS protocol.
Hmm.
Copy and paste it and save. This is our actually CBOR hacks. After you compile the marketplace CLI and marketplace core Plutus part, you deploy to the network. It generate a hex code. Hex code paste over here and actually and market CLI address. We use here Vue.js. Vue.js is like a framework like React.js. This is also same as React.js, but different component type, or just little bit changes or nothing else. Or here we created using Tailwind CSS for styling purpose, and
So that is that is
after.
the that is the front end part you are talking. So front end is
Yes,
actually
sir.
made in Vue and Vue. Like
Tailwind
last time
CSS.
we did it
Tailwind
with
CSS.
yeah. Like last time we made it with Next.js and Mesh.js. This time it is on Vue and Tailwind CSS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for the backend, like you were saying, in the config.ts, just go to the config.ts. Okay, in the config.ts, what you are doing, you are actually putting two providers. One provider is your Kuber NFT marketplace provider, which is actually running on the Demeter platform, and your Explorer UI is pre-prod. You are using the pre-prod one, and your Cardano is for pre-prod, and it is provided by the Block Frost itself. And next one is the key is basically your pre-prod key you have created,
Block
and
for
these two and these two are basically the address where your script is deployed, or your script is there. You are coming it taking it from your CLI, CLI.hs. uh, yeah, market CLI is actually market CLI command. You get this address, and the cover hex you are putting here. Like this
Yes,
is
sir.
the hexadecimal you are putting it here, which you have actually created for your contract. So the contract is actually there, I guess, marketplace Plutus. Can you show us this marketplace Plutus?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
This is
so
marketplace configuration file,
So
and
this
this
is
is
bit
simple.
Pluto's work. We will see those things, and this has to be there in your program, and you can actually deploy this program, and you can refer it from your TS file, config.ts file. So that's how the program will run. And this integration we'll see in later part of our project. But the main aim for this one is how you are actually deploying these projects, deploying these complete DApps into different environments. So first of all, we had seen it with Mesh.js. Now we are actually see it in
Vue.js.
Kuber, and this is actually made in Vue.js, the front end. Okay, Anil, then.
Okay, this is a block-first API where our backend connected through our front end. This is all a block-first API. Block-first API already define all the API call, and here we can go to the Open API reference and all the API show how to use our from connected backend to front end. After that, here is database. We use this is used for IndexedDB. Basically, we see to later how actually IndexedDB work in website. This is a wallet wallet part. How wallet connected or all those things from backend to front end. And after that, we go to the terminal and change the directory from front end. Here, this is a front end. After that, npm install the all the packages for this front end part. Okay, this all the packages are installed. After that, run. Check the Demeter once again. Okay, go to the npm. Here for npm run dev to starting our server and application. This is our local server. Click to the open. Okay, then it shows like this is our marketplace. We change it our own way to how to look our NFT marketplace. Here we can do header. One is marketplace for this section and wallet for connected to the our main wallet. Here, this is our wallet. I connected to the. I have two account created two account already. One is Tushar for Tushar, and second one is demo. Over here, click the wallet and connect to the our wallet to this website. Okay, first of all, if we want to buy something like this NFT and sell our NFT, I have one NFT in my account. This is my Ganesh picture. I have sell to the this marketplace and also buy this NFT in this marketplace to our account. First of all, click the wallet and connect to the our wallet. Then we can sell our here. If I put the 30 adda and click the sell button, it goes going to the this marketplace. Then after sign the confirm, it takes time. I think 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes to sell the NFT. This is a footer. I will fix it over later. Refresh. So here you can see our NFT is already sent, and click the our Nami wallet, and here history. Just now we can we transaction a asset from our wallet to a NFT marketplace. This is all the details about our transaction ID. And if I click here, this go to the another pre-prod Cardano scan pre-prod. It details all the of our NFT policy ID, fingerprint, asset name, transaction count, and created on where I created when I created all the details of our NFT. After, if I want to buy this NFT in another wallet, if I click login to this demo wallet, then in my second account, I have also one NFT. If I want to buy this Anil NFT from this NFT marketplace, click here to buy and connect wallet. It pop up a wallet, then sign. After some time, it goes to over here. Here, you can see. Go to the our Nami wallet and see. Here we can see one wallet, one NFT. Sorry, one NFT, which I can I buy from this NFT marketplace. Here we can buy and sell our NFT in this marketplace, and all the data stored in IndexDB. So yes, son. This is our all the data about our NFT. This is our local host where host all our NFT marketplace. This is UTXO content. All the NFT in present over here, they show in our in locally in UTXO. You see our you see all the NFT details about asset name, asset, fingerprint, atom, all those things. You can see God, image, all those things. This is God.
This is one more way of representing the front end, and yes, interesting. Thank you, Anil. It's nice. We can extend this application from here. So we have already see and learn, or already go through or two types of, or two different front ends. One is with a mesh, and another is this with Kuber, and or with the view part, Vue.js. So these are very good. We can use them, and we have to explore more and more, and we have to see, like, front end is most important part of any thing you want to uh, deliver to the client, and that visualization part is most important also, and we should know that also. That is a very good skill for all of us as a DApp stack developer. So this is also that important, which is like you are doing the Plutus apps. So thank you very much, Anil. Well, definitely you have to put the document for this, and ask people to do this, and definitely you have to actually guide also them, because this is again different from the Next.js. Vue is also famous, very it's famous. Many people use it.
It's famous for single page application, sir.
Yeah, it's very famous for the single page applications, and so many people use it. So we can explore a lot on this. Thank you very much. Just provide the document for that, and if you are having
Yes,
any
sir.
video,
Yes, sure, sir.
if you have uh, if you have done some videos or anything, you can also share it in our Cardano GitHub or Cardano, uh, uh, yeah, Cardano repo. Okay,
Yes, sir. If anyone have any doubt, then directly
yeah,
contact.
Discord him. Okay,
Directly call me anytime.
okay. You have to provide your phone number in Discord then.
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay, he will provide his phone number in Discord. Just call him.
No. Anil will reply in Discord. I pinged him before that. He will reply.
Okay. So Anil, you can hand it over to Tushar. Tushar, we are eager to see like what happened to you.
Yes, sir.
Tushar,
Yes, sir.
you can share your.
Yes, sir.
It's not yours.
Sir, actually, I sir, actually, can delete the cancel the previous one because of system hang. Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
Anil.
Uh, so Tushar, you can share it from the other machine also if you the machine you have run it already.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So please wait, sir. 5 minutes, sir.
Okay. Anil, just unshare your screen.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So in between,
Okay, sir. I on share my screen.
so in between, what I did, I share my screen. So for you people, this link is one of the most important link, and you all people has to actually clone it. You all have to clone it to yours, uh, whatever, to your uh, own GitHub repo, and you will find most of the documentations are already there. So most of the documentations are there. Plutus docs, Sahadoc, this is also new. They put actually three work. This is for the thing. This is the lecture one, lecture two, one, lecture three they had given. So they are very active in updating everything, and this will will learn as we go. We'll learn all those things as we go. See, if I am going like last week, if we had seen before Thursday, it was up to week 3, and in there is week 4 actually come. So you have to be very attentive to all of these things, and this is really very interesting. And now it's very easy as we are moving towards our development part and for the live project development. So this is going to be very interesting, and probably tomorrow we'll show you something on like running a Cardano node on your local system. So see, like uh, in the local development environment, you either require a Linux environment where you are actually going to run your program, or what you can do, you can create your Docker image. Docker, if you people know, that is the container we can install in our machine, and inside the container we can run our system and run the Cardano node and connect to that. So that also we can do. So people who are having a Windows machine, they don't needn't have to like bother about. There is a Docker image coming, and from the Docker image we can connect and we can do most of the things. So that also we'll see later. But tomorrow we'll actually show you like how to do it with a Linux system. And we are expecting like you people are giving some time. This is becoming more and more interesting. So you people will actually start looking into the
Hello.
yeah, to sir.
Share the screen, sir.
Hey, you can share. I had on said it. I heard you. Are you sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like Kabal app, right?
Yeah. Now you are using a different system, and it's of mine. Okay.
Then 7 modules is loaded. Then code the then test Kabal test 0.02.
Do you know why we are actually doing the Kabul repair?
Yes, sir. So load the modules, sir.
Like anybody else want to say me like why we are using Kabul repair? Prasan
Yeah, I
sir?
think
Yes, Devasis?
to me, I think it's creating the environment.
Environment.
Means the packages, libraries.
Okay.
It is just downloading and compiling that all the required libraries here.
Good. Prasan sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why we are using Kabul repair?
Sir, actually, the main important that it will load all the modules to the target file where actually we want to install it. Then in the GSI. Then after that, we can run it.
It will compile the things and
Yes, sir.
is it compiling the Haskell?
Sir, actually, we have to load all the modules. Yes, it is just compiling the Haskell.
Yeah, it's compiling and loading the modules into the REPL, where you can
Yes, the
actually
repository.
run any, yeah, where you can actually run the program or run any functions. It's a functional programming language. We are using this Cabal REPL always. We are going to the Prelude REPL, I guess, always in
Yes,
Haskell
sir.
also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, it's compiled. It's running the Cabal test suite, and for the homework week 02 homework, and it is failing. It's running the tests, but it is failing because nothing has been actually written. There are some programming errors which are not there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have not done the homework so yet? I guess you
Yes,
did
I'm
complete the
completed,
homework.
sir.
You have completed,
Yes, sir.
but why the error is?
But it is a different system, sir.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay, it is a different machine and it's not compiling here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many machines you are having?
Too much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Tushar, for sharing this. Basically, what we had gone through, we had learned today. The first is how to set up a environment in Demeter, and how to set up a one environment in local machine. Okay, and how to compile it and how to run the tests for these programs. And it's very easy right now to actually create smart contracts, compile them, and test them. As a developer, what we want, we have to have tools through which we can actually compile the things or write the things or dev tools, then compile the things and then test the things. So that actually becoming very easy, or in the background actually they are loading everything which is required to run a smart contract. So that is what is there. From there, what also we learned, by using uh, contracts from the front end, how could we had seen it, we didn't learn a lot from there, but we'll actually going from here to there. So you just think of the situation like we are having a front end and we are having the blockchain backends, and we are actually going to collaborate both of them. Already we had seen how to run the complete DApp, and how to actually create this blockchain or smart contracts, and test them and create them. Then actually we have to do what? We have to deploy those into the net, and we have to connect them by using some middlewares from the testnet, or any in future also in the mainnet. So that is what actually we are going to achieve. And once we go through that in a full stack, we are ready enough to create our own D apps, deploy them into different nets, networks, pre-prod, first preview, then pre-prod, then we have to see them with the mainnet. And that's all we can start doing, or we can start, we are going to change the world with learning these things. And just believe me, just trust me, this is hot in the market. Even if a simple web developer is having that much value, or a Web3 developer without knowing this backend Plutus is having a lot of value. If you are having the skills of Vue, if you are having the skill of Next.js and Mesh.js, React, uh, you are like hot properties right now in the market. And with the Web3 is actually coming up, these are going to, even if I had seen people had developed many things on Python, will learn in Demeter. If you will create the account, and if you will actually browse through, you will see a lot of things happening. And right nowadays, there is IBC is coming, inter blockchain communication, which is also a hot thing which is going to come. So learning is a process to me, to all of us, and we have to learn. And definitely, if you learn, other byproducts will come to you automatically. So the main thing is here, we are not actually following the money, and we are actually making ourselves like that. The money will follow us. So that is the whole aim of this session, and of upskilling ourselves, and for that, definitely we have to be careful enough. We have to be very trustful to ourselves, that we are not actually uh, or passing time as it is, but rather we are actually doing something for ourselves only, for our own good only. And thank you very much, Anil. Thank you very much, Tushar. Tushar did a good job, tremendous. I want you, Tushar, to share the documents. We'll share definitely this video also there for you people, and just share your uh, like things what you take from this session in the Discord, as well as share your GitHub account and clone as much as thing you are finding from us, or from anywhere related to Cardano. And yes, this time it is big enough already, and going to be huge for Cardano community. And there might be a lot of DApps going to created in this Cardano area, which is always in the past a problem in comparison to other blockchain. So hopefully we'll start revolutionizing the things as Cardano India community. We have to give time, and definitely, as I told, money will follow us. Don't worry for that. Trust me. I'm having enough experience into the industry already, and it's like that. If you are having the skills, if you are having the uh, patience, and if you are having uh, the attitude to change something from the normal and doing something extraordinary, it's there for you. I didn't communicate to many of you, talk to many of you today, because we are already crossing the time, I guess. So I don't want to stop you all for more time. We'll stop it here, and tomorrow definitely another interesting session will be there. Apart from this, you just check. This will not take much time. I am giving you guarantee. It's only take 10 to 15 minutes of your time to set up the things and to check the things. So that's all. And for tomorrow, it will be very much interesting. Again, we are going to show you how to set up the node locally in your system. Okay, and then we'll try to show you like how to and communicate it from Cardano CLI. So that is interesting for tomorrow. And from the next one, we'll actually start showing you how to communicate with a Docker image, and how to communicate from a DApp like Anil has shown. And Anil, I know Anil very skillfully bypass that thing, which is written in Haskell and Plutus. So Anil knew view, Anil knew this thing, so he told like this is like that and all. But we have to understand that everybody is not having all the skills, and it's not required. Those people who are front end developers, they has to be very good, and those people who has to be back in the back end writing down Plutus contract, they has to be very skillful. And with both of them combining together, integrating them, will have actually our best app ready, and best thing ready in the future. So that is like that. And I intentionally making this like it, because it's good that we are having some people in the front end, some people at the back end, and some people in the middle area who are exploring everything. And it's not possible for a single person to actually do everything. If somebody is doing, it's great, and it's you are all welcome. Thank you very much for the time. We'll talk to you tomorrow. And tomorrow session we are not going to take so much of your time, but it's requested. Please connect to the Discord. Send your GitHub account, repo account, and that's how we'll connect you into the Cardano repo. Okay. Thank you
Ravindra,
very much.
I have just shared my GitHub.
Okay, thank you, Debasis. I'm requesting all of you to please do it. Thank you very much. Have a nice
Thank you.
good night. Good night.
Good
All
night.
together. Thank
Thank
you
you,
very much.
thank you, sir, to share and no need for you.
Yes, sir.